Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos are coming out. In this video, I'll be sharing with you ways in which I style this here goodness because I'm too lazy to resize it. And if you're new here, my name is Ndegwa. I'm a fashion designer, and anything hanging on this here mannequin is designed by me, and most of the things I wear on this videos. In today's video, everything is thrifted. Stay tuned. So my friend was selling his mother's vintage stuff, and I thought I had to go through the pile before it hits the market and I miss anything. What is life without a blazer? A coat, blazer, coat, this. I love it. I really love it. It's oversized, but who am I to resize oversized things? I love wearing oversized because you can manipulate it in so many ways. When things fit, you know, there's not much you can do, but with oversized, you can belt it up and belt up anything oversized. So I'm using this as my top. So naturally I don't have anything underneath except a bra. And I also left these two buttons open, three actually, and the upper one. So if you feel more comfortable wearing a spaghetti top or a vest or a turtleneck underneath, you are welcome to do so. But for me, I'm using this as my top. Look number one, we are going to be needing 2 hairbands, a brooch of your choice, and a belt. Let's get to it. So I said earlier, whatever is oversized, belt it up. There is nothing a belt cannot do, okay? So invest in good belts. Take it over here and gonna pull it. Naturally, the higher waist, you are not going to find any holes for the higher waist, so I'll just pull it there to the end to tighten the belt because oh my god, I had, ouch, shoot. Okay, you know that thing your nail does? It hurts like crazy. Okay. Then we are going to take our hairbands, and you know the drill. So you pull the arms, over arms, and then you're going to put a hairband, okay? Here I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can do. There you go. And we are again going to break this pattern, okay? Naturally we put the band there to secure it in place. So you put the band there to secure your fold in place all day long. So we break the pattern by using that lining. If you have a beautiful lining underneath, you can use it to bring some pop of color to your blazer. So instead of the button here, I'm going to be using a brooch. Okay? Brooches are a great detail to add to your outfit. You can add them to t-shirts, you can add them to hats, shirts, coats, anything really to spice up your outfit. I love brooches. They are quite a lifesaver. They make you look like you've put together very well. Okay, so whenever you want to add a little something to your outfit, brooch it up. And if anything is oversized, belt it up. Okay, so here's the look. I hope you like it. I really like it. And I paired it with some shorts, leather shorts, and you can use a pencil skirt, anything really, up to you. I'm only here to inspire you. So before you take your oversized clothes for resizing, play around with them. So back to factory settings. For look number 2, a belt. You can choose another color or something else. A belt, 2 hairbands, the brooch, same, you can use a different brooch, and 2 pins, and a hat. Hat is optional, okay? The best place to begin is with the belt. So I'm here. Okay, so because I'm going to be using a brooch, I'm going to turn my backhoe to the back because I want this area super clean, because we already have print, we have a backhoe, we have a brooch. It's going to be too busy. So I'm turning this to the back. So we have our backhoe to the back. It doesn't have to be in the middle. Okay, there you go. Check that everything is nice and clean. Our collar, and we are going to put it underneath like this. Okay, we're going to fold it inside. We are going to fold it inside and pin it in place. Pin it in place, and we have created a whole new collar for ourselves. And then you are going to take your brooch and we are going to pin it over here. And we are going to add our hairbands, okay? I did not break the pattern, I just left it like that. I've created a whole new look and super clean, and I really love it. I hope you like it. This look, I really love it. If this is your thing, you have a nice cleavage, this will work very well for you. This is super cute. I love this look as well. You see how much you can do with the same things. So naturally, I don't buy so much. I always manipulate things that I have. Number 3, all I'm doing is I'm going to transfer. I'm going to put my brooch at the collar here. Okay, is that we have created a bishop collar. I love it. I love it. I love this look. See? I'm kidding, but I love it. Look how nice it is. Look how much you can do with the same coat. So here you can choose your favorite look. Look number 4, we are going to add the little detail of a hat. You can use anything. You can style your hair differently. It was my first time actually wearing this. I've never worn it before, and all these things I was just trying at random with you guys, so I haven't worn it before. So this here, let's try and see how it looks. I was thinking this would be too much, too extra, too much, but it's not. It's never too much, yeah? In this case, less is not more. More is more. So if you like, you can remove this here. This is a detail, okay? So naturally, when you're doing this, this is a little detail that you add. Everything is a detail. Brooch detail, folding your arms and showing your lining. Lining is a detail. So we are going to remove this detail because we have added the hat. Okay, so when you add the hat, you want to remove the attention from here, and then you fold it up nicely, and we unfold the other side. Okay, we don't want too many details because you don't know where to look. When you have too many things going on, we don't know where to look. Naturally, when I watch YouTube videos, I always go to the comment section, and I know you do too, yeah, to know what the video is about. Is it worth watching? So please, if you feel that you want to leave a comment, leave it down here so you can help other people understand what the video is about. Share with your friends if you have girlfriends. If you have friends, please share with them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're greatly inspired. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos are coming out. I wish you a very, very happy 2019. And please remember to live in the moment, because life is one very big moment. Till next time.